Hi, I'm Norah Gone here with Mary Jane Mucklestone, still on vacation in Maine. And I wanted to talk about this book that I got that I absolutely love, and it's a really geeky kind of thing. It's called Bog Fashion. The book is by Nicole DeRuchy, and it's about the clothing and jewelry, shoes of people, bodies that have been found in bogs. So they can be hundreds of years old. I haven't studied enough to know if they're like over 1,000 years old. There's one in particular that really got both my imagination and Mary Jane's. We'll give you a close-up, but I'll show you this right now. And it's this full outfit that was found on a girl in Denmark, I think. We should have studied up a little before first. Denmark. It's got a skirt that's all strings and a woven top. And it's just really fascinating. Nicole DeRuchy has reproduced it, and that's her in the picture. And in the book, she tells you a lot of different techniques for the jewelry making, techniques for making the shoes, for weaving, and different projects in the book. And this tied in my head with something that Mary Jane learned how to do in Scotland, which is twining. So tell us what twining is.
So it's essentially twisting and plying any kind of fiber. And so I was taking basket making in Shetland the last time I went, and that actually didn't entail making twine or cordage. But a lady who later came to class I had met at the archaeological site in southern Shetland called, I can't remember. We'll have to edit over this part. Not the big Jarlshof, but the other one. It's a village area, and I bought a drop spindle that was fashioned after one's spindle whorls that they found there. And a lady who was in the shop showed me how to make cordage, just like there on the spot. Just do this. So then I became obsessed and just kept. It's very soothing.
Everywhere we went that fall, like we went to Rhinebeck together, Mary Jane would be picking dried weeds from the yard and making cords. So I was so fascinated by watching Mary Jane make cordage everywhere we went, that now I want her to teach me how to do it. So we'll see how quickly I can catch on. We're going to first we're going to take
we're going to help with their gardening.
We're going to help with the gardening.
The dying strands of
daylily. The daylily has gone dry, and these seem like good things. They're maybe not the perfect things to make cordage, but they're great for explaining how to do it. So first we're going to pick some of the daylily strands.
We can just lean and get them. Okay, here we go. Look at that great spider web.
I know. We got
some of these.
Oh, the driest
dead ones. Well, yeah, I haven't done this for a long time, but these should work.
Okay, that's enough. All right. So now we have our bundle of material.
Yes, so we've got a bundle. We're going to start, I guess, just with 4 strands.
Give me a couple.
Oh, yeah? Well, let's just start with, let's start with 4 each. So, 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
I'm getting you. And you kind of want them not to be all ending at the same place. So
that you don't add in all at the same place.
Yeah.
All right.
And then, well, here.
All right. So I saw that you were twisting.
So you start in the middle, and so you kind of fold them, twist, and then twist it over so you have that little loop.
Okay.
And then you can do an S twist or a Z twist. So I crisscross it and then hold onto that spot.
Yep.
And then you we're going to start by twisting the top one away.
Wait, let me see again how you folded over.
So
You went from the top
just
down.
made
Okay.
like kind of little loop. Yeah,
Okay.
so.
And we're twisting
Like
that top one?
So we're going to hold that spot.
And twist this
and then
one
twist the one away. And then I'm going to bring it over the other 3.
And hold?
And and move your thumb up and then twist the new ones away.
Okay.
So you can always kind of be right at the junction. So see, I'm keeping them apart with my finger and then moving.
You got way farther than I have. Okay. Twist away.
And bring it forward.
Over.
Yep.
And then that finger's kind of keeping them apart.
Ooh, see how good it looks?
It looks like something.
It's so beautiful.
All right. I'm going away.
Twist.
And over.
And you just do that till the end of time. And sometimes
it looks like
it is.
It doesn't want to unwrap that quickly. Like it's not as urgent as it seemed like it might be. Okay. I can see why this could be soothing. Like, don't be in a hurry.
No.
But you just sit here
and
doing
you can do it anywhere. Like
Oops, and then I got
assist my neighbor's gardening by culling the dead strands of things. And there's certain plants that are better than others. And then, of course, with any bast fiber, plant fiber, there's so much involved if you're really going to do this. To raise, like, for instance, willow. It takes several years to grow the willow. And then, or like linen. And then you have to prepare the dried fibers. So it's a several year process sometimes. If you've ever seen that movie, The Nettle Dress, they go into it in quite detail of from harvesting the nettles and making the fiber.
I really want to see that now that you've reminded me.
The fiber, or processing the fiber, spinning the fiber, and then weaving the dress, and then sewing the dress.
Now I'm seeing how dirty my fingernail is after we pulled those, but that's all right.
It would be.
Plus, people lashed houses together with stuff like this.
Oh yeah, I mean sailing ships. Hello.
Right. This was like one of the very first technologies. I just think it's amazing. So the one thing we didn't do is add new.
Right. So when you get down, like, so this one is short. It's going to run out soon.
Yep.
So depending on your fiber and whatever, you can add in a new one. So I've got the thin end, and I'm just going to put it there in here. So just add it.
And let the extra bit just hang out.
And then you can singe it. Get your pyrotechnic things going. You can singe the end of your...
now you folded it back in though, and you don't even have to.
Yeah. So.
All right.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That is actually a technique, which I just automatically did. You can fold the end back on itself. So there's many different ways, and lots of times this is twisted on your leg. Bring it forward so that you can get a really good twist, and then you don't wear your hands out quite as much.
Yep.
I'm sure there's other ways. I'm a very, very beginner at this. But it's a rabbit hole that I encourage you to go down.
Yay!